Ponche.
What's a ponche in English?
Goat meat.
Goat meat?
Yes. Cooking nkatekwan.
Which translates to peanut groundnut soup.
Yeah, groundnut soup.
So where does this originate from?
You know it.
Originates from where? I don't know.
GH for real.
Ghana.
For real.
Okay, so the first process is to clean the meat.
Yeah, wash it properly. You see this one?
What is that?
The skin.
The skin.
Yeah,
so how did you learn how to cook?
How do I know how to cook?
Yeah, who taught you?
Well, you learn it from childhood.
Okay.
Yeah, childhood, you learn it.
So I feel as if it's very common for Ghanaian men to know how to cook.
Yeah, you have to. You have to. Because it's very common. Like,
it's very common.
Yeah.
Out of all the men that I know, Ghanaian men know how to cook.
Because we like our soup.
Okay.
Yeah. I like my soup. And I can't go like a week without no.
So this is like a staple.
Mm.
What spices are you using?
Basic. This what? Onion.
Onions, yes.
Yeah. Secret ingredient.
Your secret. Dun 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 dun.
You see that one?
Yeah.
That's it. And then I got my tomatoes.
So apparently this is the best one. Peanut butter smooth from Morrison's. Okay. So we have all our ingredients. This is also a very key ingredient. Not for the food, but for the cook-up. So added the onions. And what's in there?
Onion and pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna boil it.
Yeah, boil it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do light soup.
So you blend it.
I'm gonna use that to steam. I think.
So basically, you transferred it to a saucepan, and you're just.
Yeah.
Did you add hot water?
Yeah, that's hot water.
Hot water.
Yeah. Right. You can't have no clear.
To
It's not much, right?
your.
Take everything out. Add hot water.
Try to make it smooth.
Yeah. Add hot water. And then stir. Yeah.
This is gonna make cool.
Pepper and onion.
It's a bit high.
Yeah. Is it a bit high? Yeah, I think
this cooker is very high.
it's good. It makes you cook quick.
Yeah.
Like you don't have to waste time on it. It's good.
What the
Salt. This is salt, onion, garlic, ginger.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you want it to just steam up and cook.
cook.
How long does it normally take?
This will take like it depends how you like it. For me, I like my meat very strong.
Okay.
You understand? So for now, like maybe 15-20 minutes, it should be alright.
For this. Okay.
Yeah. No, let's say 15 minutes because
for my taste. So it's really smooth now.
Yeah.
Trying to get out all the bumps and how do you say it?
The apple bun.
The apple bun. So this is going to be like a brothalized cooking video because obviously we're speaking to you in English. Okay. Yeah. That's tomato puree, innit? Maybe I'm but I'm just it's long. It's long way.
That's you need to know how I want to be.
Oh, both of us. If I have to, I'll make it.
Good.
It's a different style, Crown. Who will be that?
Different style.
Very different.
Yeah. Start with Miami
Your own version.
Oh, flavor in the batter.
It smells lovely. So how many onions do you use in total?
5.
5 onions.
Yeah. Depending on the quantity.
Of the meat?
Yeah. And you know, I like my pepper. So
How many peppers?
Maybe this one should be about 10, 12.
Jeez. But the meat is quite a lot though, so
Yeah. Let's try. It should be. I'm thinking it's not a lot. Because I like my pepper all the time.
So the pepper is really to your taste, like whatever you can handle.
Yeah.
Obviously, Uncle can handle all of that peppers, but yeah. If you can't handle it, don't go and put 10.
Don't try.
Don't try it all.
You see the pepper I'm putting in?
About 15,
Yeah.
16.
Depending on what you like. Yeah. Someone will be scared.
If I drink this, I would have collapsed.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
See this tomato? Someone will be scared. Someone will say, what?
You're doing it African style. Jeez! This is what you do, yeah, when you don't have an opener. Just like that.
That is when we were going to boarding house, secondary school in Ghana.
You were doing
and
that.
we have what's it called? Your family.
Sardine. And Indomie.
Tuna. Yeah. You need your friends open up. Oh, kind. A bit too anonymous here.
This is kind of fun.
One for secondary school, one on your hustler.
So boarding school right now for you.
Accra Academy.
Shout out to Accra Academy if you went there, comment below. You're from there.
Beleo. Sound.
Okay.
That black boys there, we know the joke.
To those that are like me and didn't go to boarding school in Ghana, it's alright. I went to Robert Clark Community Clackers.
Oh nah.
The mighty Clackers.
Man. Yeah. We now in LA house, the house of no regret. From here. Hey, what's that?
Debut, me wow.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. So how do you know when the meat is ready?
I don't know. You should see it by your eyes. You
Is
should
it the
know.
color or?
Yeah, the color as well. And then sometimes if you want to know, it shouldn't be too ready, because remember you'll be cooking.
We're cooking it with the nuts as well.
Yeah. So
you want it to be partially cooked.
Yeah. If you're like me, with me, I'll just.
So you take a piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
And taste it.
Okay.
Because you want to know whether the salt is okay as well.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is a favorite.
What is it? What part of the meat? Is that kidney?
Yeah.
It's the kidney. And now I'm ready. My stomach can't. Is it ready? Is it tough?
It's ready.
It's ready. So it's partially cooked now. It's been tasted.
I don't like too much sauce though.
Okay.
So I put a little. I think the meat is a lot.
This one, there no measurements. You just do it by eye, innit?
Yeah.
If you're not too sure about the quantity, I'd say put like 1 teaspoon at a time, so you can tell whether it's enough or not. Don't just pour it like that.
No. Not like I know. You should know your limit.
Yeah.
You should know what you like.
I'm doing it, sorry. This is quite a cool blender, you know. It blends on its own. So the tomato sauce has been added.
Oh,
This is the second tin of tomato. So what seasoning is that? Aroma stock powder. Okay.
One.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vanessa. No,
It's different to me. Who's that way that? It's called Ghana for Mama. Ghana for Mama style. That's why their food is always different. Different techniques. You're gonna be YouTube famous.
There's the light soup in it.
This is the peanut. It's nice and thick. We're waiting for it to be brown.
So that puree come home.
So what are you waiting for? You want it to be the oil to come out?
Yeah, a bit. Yeah. Now I can put it, but I have time for this one to cook a bit.
Okay.
So let me lower this one. Let me give it that one.
So now you can see that the oil is starting to come out a bit. Yeah, it's becoming wet and it's even frying.
Yeah. You see?
Yeah, the oil is coming out. So that's how you know that it's ready to go into the soup.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's ready to go in. Okay.
Yeah. I know the quantity salt.
Okay. So you normally buy like a 1 pot of Morrison's peanut butter for this amount of soup.
Yes.
So if you're using half.
No, the big one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So roughly 340 grams of peanut butter
Yeah.
for this amount of soup, which is quite a big pot. Quite a big pot. So if you're making a small pot, then you take like maybe half or a quarter.
Yeah. There for everything to mix and then leave it to boil. The best way to this food is this.
And all you do now is just let it boil, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cover it and let it boil. Looking yummy. It's called nkatekwan. Cool. Made by the. Jeez, just look at that colour.